We had an issue with our hydraulic door opener for the camper. Both of them are weak. This one is especially weak, but one for the back door completely lost its gas last winter when I opened it when it was 20 below. I needed in there, so I went to my local parts store. Automotive parts store, they have these in stock, but not this size. They were not able to cross-reference the part number, but they were able to take measurements. They didn't have this size in stock. They could have ordered it, but we were never really happy with these anyway. We missed the old style luggage type latch door opener. With this removed, and you just take a straight screwdriver and pry that spring up, and it releases these two catches, and it pops right off this ball joint. Come on over. That's right here. Just snaps on there, and then also snaps on under the door. Well, I'm not going to put that back on. We bought these for $9 for a 2-pack at the local parts store. Local hardware store actually had an RV section. So I'm going to just add it right here. Let's see how that goes. I have two different size screws to choose from. For me, these number 8s fit perfectly. The number 6s actually have a bigger head. I think I'll go with the 6s. I'm going to use a pen and mark the edge of here where I want it. I'm not going to put it through the fiberglass. I'm going to put it through the tin below. I know that there's a wood skirt there, so I'll just put a guesstimation mark. Trying to do this and show you at the same time is a little difficult, but level. By using the number 6 screws, if they ever pull out, I can always go back with an 8 and have that. Like that. Now we're back like we were in the old days. Thanks for watching.